Good day everyone, I'm Yu. In this video, I'll be showing you this Malaysia 1972 second series 1 ringgit notes. Before we take a closer look at the notes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. So for this second series 1 ringgit notes is issued between 1972 to 1976, and the bank negara governor at the time is Tun Ismail bin Muhammad Ali. This is how his signature looked like, and this is how it should look like on the banknotes, the signature. Now the size of these notes is 121 mm times 64 mm, and the printer for these notes is Bradbury Wilkinson, and the prefix is only issued between D/4 to E54. Now I'll leave the book like this in case any of you want to check the price. However, please take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on the market situation. If you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Now let's take a look at the notes. Now this is how the front of the second series banknotes look like. Let's turn it around. And here's a printer name, Bradbury Wilkinson. Malden, Surrey, England. Now the thing interesting about the second series is they use the new Malay, and so happened I have the first series 1 ringgit notes. So the first series they use the old Malay word, which is gaba no, if they use O. However, at the second series they use the new Malay word, which switched to U, gabano, and that's how you identify a second series notes besides using the prefix. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.